Hello, kings and queens. This is Zena at Wealth and Success Business Enterprises, and I want to thank you to my YouTube channel. I would like for you to like, subscribe, and share. The other day, I did a video, and it was regarding credit unions and the benefits of a credit union compared to the well-known commercial banks. So I discussed the advantage, and I discussed how the credit union is more favorable for you, meaning that it's friendly. They're more friendly because they deal specifically to meet the members' needs. And when I say member, I'm going to get into and explain what a member is to join a credit union. So when you get a chance, look at the previous video on how I discussed the benefits and the beginning stages of the credit union compared to the commercial banks, because I was saying that the commercial banks, it's hard to get favor from them. You have been a customer in a regular bank, let's say Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Citibank, all these banks. You have been a loyal customer. Sometimes you even have your payroll check automatically deposited into that account. You have maybe a savings and checking account with the banks I just mentioned. And then when it's time, when you are ready to apply for a line of credit, or to apply for a refinance, or to apply for business credit, that you are denied. But you've been a loyal customer, and they deny you. But I got a small business, and you want to increase, and they deny you. So I'm going to talk about the benefits of a credit union. And first of all, I just want to share what is the difference between a credit union and a commercial bank. The main difference between the two is that banks are typically for profit. And we know that banks are typically for profit because you get charged certain fees. Let's say you want to make a deposit into your business account, right? And if you don't read the fine print, say you have a business account and you do a $10,000 deposit into your business account, and then you get charged, and then you're like, why am I getting charged for putting money in my bank? Because with the commercial bank, and I will have to check this out with the credit union, with the commercial bank, there's a limit on how much money you can deposit a day into your account. So if you deposit $10,000 into your business account or a checking account, then you're going to be charged for that. So that's another fee. With a savings account, you have to at least keep a minimum of, I don't know, some banks are $300, some banks are $100. This is for a savings account. You have to keep a minimum balance in there to avoid a charge or service fee, a fee. So these are the fees that bank charges. It's a profit. Banks are there to make a profit. They are not there to curb the charges for you. So let me go ahead and explain to you, read to you, the main difference between a credit union and a commercial bank. Okay, like I just stated, commercial banks are typically for profit. Profit institutions, while credit unions are not for profit and distribute their profits among their members. Okay, so with the commercial banks, they are for profit. Their banks are on the stock market. They have shareholders that are own those shares. So those owners are looking for profits. Okay, credit unions also tend to serve a specific region or community. And what that is, with the credit unions, there's a credit union in your community, and if you live in that community, that you can become a member. You have to show your ID, which will have your legal address or have some type of bill or something with your address on it. Okay, a credit union is created for the benefit of its members. All deposits are owners, regardless of balance, and get a vote in board member elections. A commercial bank is for a profit institution, oftentimes traded on the stock market, like I just stated. They are owned by shareholders, like I just stated, and look to turn a profit for the shareholders, like I just stated. The banks are there to make sure that the shareholders are going to get their profit. Okay, credit unions typically offer lower fees, higher savings rates. Like I was just explaining, with the credit union, they're there to make sure that you get a higher rate on your savings account. I know with the regular banks, you only get like what, 1%. So the credit union, they work for the members, and more personalized approach to a customer service for their members. In addition, credit unions offer lower interest rates on loans. It is easier to attain a loan with a credit union than a larger bank. And let me just share with you that what some credit unions are offering. It says that for a car, with an auto loan with a rate as low as 5.7 with a rate as low as 5.74% APR up to 36 months. You cannot get a loan on a car at 5.74%. That is incredible. Everything is high, up in the 20s, 20%, 19%. And it's for 36 months. It takes 3 years to pay off a car for. And that is an excellent deal that credit unions are offering. And let me just read this to you. It says, for a loan amount for $15,000, the loan term for 36 months, your payment would be $454.65, and that's with a 5.7.4 credit interest rate. And for a loan amount for a vehicle for $40,000 for 84 months, there'll be up to 8 to 7 years. The rate is 6.99%, and that in the car payment is $603.74. So credit unions offer the best car loan deals and mortgage home loans. So that's why it is best to seek and to look into, at least get an account with a credit union. You can have one with a commercial bank. It's best to have certain investments here and there. When you plant a garden, you don't just plant lemons, cherries, avocados. You want to have a variety. So that comes with your business, your financial business. So it's best to have one in a commercial bank, credit union, and wherever. So you can always have investment. You can pull money here and there when you need it, and when it's available, or it can become available for you. Okay, and to qualify for membership with a credit union, you must be local. like I stated earlier. You must live in that community. To become a member of a credit union, you need to have a common bond with other members. Most modern day credit unions must actively have a community charter. And what the community charter is that an organization that is there to assist the members in that community locally, to provide financial, to provide assistance, to provide a standard of living for that community. This means that the credit union membership is open to everyone who lives in a specific geographic location, usually a city or county. Okay, so with most credit unions, most of them are based upon members that work for the government, work for the county. It could be the police department, fire department, the nurses association, government jobs, county jobs. These organizations have unions that specifically meet the needs of their members. So because if you work for these companies, that you are automatically a member. But because it is open to the community, you live in that community, you have an advantage and you have the opportunity to join as well. And that is a hidden secret. Most people think that they have to work for a certain organization to become a member of a credit union. That is not true. So, and let me just name some of the best credit unions. Alliant Credit Union, which is ACU, which is the acronym. Best for Rewards is Pentagon, and it's a federal credit union, and it's called PenFed. Okay, and the best for military members is the Navy Federal Credit Union. I will look into get into that. They have excellent deals, excellent benefits, and I believe that you're in that community that you can apply. But sometimes if you have members in your family that are members of that credit union, it's easy for you to get in as well. And the next one is best for APY consumers credit union. It's called CCU. And best for low interest credit cards is First Credit Union, FTCU. And Progressive Credit Union. You must be recommended by another member. This is a requirement for Progressive Credit Union. Okay, so once again, the best credit unions is Alliant Credit Union, ACU. The best for rewards credit unions is the Pentagon. So Federal Credit Union, PenFed. That's the acronym. Best for military members, Navy Credit Union. And the next one is for best APY Consumers Credit Union is CCU. Best for low interest rate credit cards, First Tech, Federal Credit Union, and Progressive. Okay, I think I read this again, but the qualifications for the credit union to be local, I did read that. Okay, yes, those are the qualifications. And okay, yes, so basically like I stated, credit unions have a phenomenal benefit for those that are seeking financial assistance, those that are in need. I would look into joining a credit union by any means necessary. There are some credit unions that I did not list on this presentation, but you can do a Google search for credit unions that are in your area or credit unions that are near you to obtain membership. Membership, like I said, is not that hard. If someone tells you that you need to be belong to a certain organization to get in, I would challenge them. You can just tell them, well, I was told that if I live in this area that I'm able to join this membership, and if they continue to challenge you, I would go higher up, speak to management, or Google that company and type in what are the requirements to join this to join the credit union. So best advice, when you are challenged with anything, Google that company, find out who the directors and managers are, find out where the regional office is located. Whenever you get a no, turn that no into a yes, because people will always try to block you and hinder you, especially when you are on the road to success, especially when you are on the road to better yourself financially, to establish a business, to establish a career. Do not ever let a no stop you. Keep pressing, keep opening those doors, keep searching until you find the correct answers that you are looking for. So once again, if you can, look at the some videos that I have posted regarding the best credit cards that you should be using for 2023. Also, look at the videos that I have posted regarding other financial tips, and I will be coming out with a video regarding how to establish and how to create your trust account. A trust is very important. It is a protection, just like I was stating about an LLC, that is a protection against, it's a protection to protect your personal things, like your home, your house. If somebody comes after you to sue you, if you have a business, they can't touch your personal stuff. They can sue the business, but they can't come after your home, your house, jewelry, money, your bank accounts, your retirement, your 401k, your pension. They can't come after that. They can come after that business, but your other stuff is protected under the LLC. You can look at that video that I did about the protection of a LLC as well, and how to set up your business checking account. I did a video about that. So yeah, memberships for credit unions, very, very, very good to have. Get a savings account when you apply for this account with the credit union. Get a savings account, and you can get a checking account. You can also have your payroll deposited into the credit union. The fees are nominal, meaning that they are very, very low. So I just want to thank you for viewing this video. I hope that I'm asking that you would like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments regarding the credit union, if you have any additional comments, you can leave them in the description and I will respond to you. And so thank you once again. Have a great day, And I will be coming back soon with some more videos regarding business. Like my name of my YouTube is Zena's Wealth and Success Business Enterprises. Thank you for viewing. Have a great day. Take care.